Auhea o kou e nā hoa make'e o ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Aloha nui kākou, mahalo ke hui ana o kākou. No keia Haʻawina o ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Aloha nui, e hoʻomaka kākou I ka hana. E hoʻi nā pauhopu o keia Haʻawina. O ka mua, o ia ka hoʻakaka ana I ka iʻoa. We want to go ahead and further clarify iʻoa and its usage. O ka lua, o ia ko kākou a'o ana I ka Pepeke Henua. We will learn a new sentence pattern today, or in this Haʻawina, to add onto our Pepeke Ekehe and our Pepeke Ekeo. And this is the Pepeke Henua sentence pattern, which we'll talk about in just a bit. O ke kolu, e a'o I nā hua ʻŌlelo o ka lomi papa Pūnana Leo. We'll go ahead and utilize vocabulary from our Pūnana Leo classrooms for this Haʻawina. No leila, e hoʻomaka kākou. Okay, so iʻoa. Now let's go ahead and talk about iʻoa. We've talked about iʻoa. We've been using iʻoa since our very first Haʻawina. But now we're going to clarify two different types of iʻoa. We have iʻoa kuhane and iʻoa paku. Okay. Now, again, what you call them doesn't really matter. If calling it an iʻoa kuhane and iʻoa paku helps you distinguish, maikai. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. The main thing is that there's two different usages of iʻoa, right? And one is when we're using names of specific persons, spirits, or pets, like the pictures that we see here, Kamehameha, and this dog, Pua, right? Kamehameha and this dog, Pua, are names, specific persons, pets. They are iʻoa kuhane. Okay, so they're gonna have a certain kind of usage in a sense. Iʻoa paku are names of places like Hawaiʻi, buildings like ʻŌlelo, canoes like Kamakahonu or Honoura, and songs like Kaulana Napua. So these are types of iʻoa, and we are splitting them and distinguishing them into these two groups: iʻoa kuhane, iʻoa paku. Person, spirit, pets, places, buildings, songs, canoes, and so on and so forth. And we'll talk about those examples as we see them in the future. Okay. So these two different types of iʻoa, the iʻoa kuhane and the iʻoa paku, use different ami. And we're familiar with two ami so far, or three actually. And we went over them a couple of Haʻawina ago. And so the newest ones that we're familiar with are the ami that express the idea of in, on, at, and by. Under, so on and so forth. And we know that for that expression we can use ma and I, right? For now, they are interchangeable. So when using an iʻoa paku, right, like a song or a place or a building or a canoe, it'll take the ami ma or I, like ma maui, ma maui, on Maui, right, at Maui. I kamakahonu, at kamakahonu, on kamakahonu, depending perhaps on what kamakahonu is, and we'll see that in the next slide. Iʻoa kuhane, right, when we're using names of persons or pets, that will take on what is a new ami for us right now, and this is ya, ya, ʻŌlelo oko, ya, right, ya, and so when we say ya hi'iaka, for now that means on hi'iaka, at hi'iaka, by hi'iaka, Ya pua pua lena lena, Puapua lena lena perhaps being my dog, right? It can be on Puapua lena lena, by Puapua lena lena, so on and so forth, right? But we wouldn't use the ami, ma, or I. We would use ya, because hi'iaka, a person, Puapua lena lena, a pet, are iʻoa kuhane. So they use a different ami, ya. And then papani as well, right? Like au, like oi, like ia. They also use the ami ya to express the idea of in, on, at, or by. Okay? So, in our other Haʻawina, we learned that in, on, at, by is ma or I, and it is. But now we're differentiating the two types of iʻoa, and we're including papani in this. And so, iʻoa paku, ma, or I would be its ami for in, on, or at, or by. Iʻoa kuhane, papani, they would use ya, right? And in our papani section, examples are ya oi, yaia, and ya'u. Okay? So ya oi being you, right? On you, by you. Yaia, right? Yaia. Again, we've talked about this ia. This ia right here is the papani. We've talked about it oftentimes being preceded by an okina o. But we also talked in one of our previous haʻawina that ami, like ka'i, can only appear one at a time, right? And so, when expressing this idea of in, on, at, by, it is not oya, but yaia. Yeah, ya-ia, yaia. And then, when that ya is attached to the papani au, yeah, or me, it gets combined, and we have ia'u. Okay, ia'u. And this right here is basically saying ya'au. The way it is ya'oi, kalamai, ya'oi, yaia, and then na ya'au, which is ia'u. Okay, so we will go ahead and practice these things now. Okay, so e ho'oma'ama kākou. Let's start with on kamehameha. Okay, and this kamehameha is an ali'i. Okay, so on kamehameha, so what we need to figure out is whether or not kamehameha is an iʻoa paku, iʻoa kuhane, or perhaps a papani. But again, just as a quick hint, these are all iʻoa here. Okay, so the question is iʻoa paku or iʻoa kuhane. Okay, kamehameha being an ali'i, the name of a person. Iʻoa kuhane, does it take on the ami of ma and I, or ya? And if you said ya, then pololei, yeah? Ya kamehameha. Ya kamehameha. On kamehameha. Yeah? By kamehameha. Ya kamehameha. Okay, now what about kamehameha ke kula, right? The school. Kamehameha. At kamehameha. Iʻoa kuhane or iʻoa paku? Right? This would be an iʻoa paku, and therefore it would take ma or I. Ma kamehameha, I kamehameha. Okay? Different from ya kamehameha. Ya kamehameha tells us we're talking about a person. Ma kamehameha, I kamehameha tells us we're not talking about a person. We're not talking about a pet. We're talking about something that falls under an iʻoa paku, like a place name, a building name, a song, a canoe, yeah, a ka'a, perhaps. Maybe you name your truck, so on and so forth. Yeah, and now we have kamehameha, the road, right? Ke alanui. So, ma kamehameha, I kamehameha, or ya kamehameha? Yeah. Ma kamehameha, I kamehameha. Right, on kamehameha highway, perhaps. Okay, let's jump to a different name. Now we have kamakahonu. Okay, at kamakahonu. And this kamakahonu is the aina. Yeah, it's the beach in Kona. So at kamakahonu would be ya kamakahonu or ma and I kamakahonu. This is an iʻoa paku, ma kamakahonu, I kamakahonu. Yeah. And then we have kamakahonu the va'a, the canoe. Okay. On kamakahonu, iʻoa kuhane or iʻoa paku. Va'a, right? Iʻoa paku. Ma kamakahonu, I kamakahonu. Yeah. The paddler is on kamakahonu. Yeah. The paddler is ma kamakahonu, is I kamakahonu. Alela, on kamakahonu, let's say this is a person, right? This is a person named kamakahonu, and we're saying that, you know, the boy is on kamakahonu, it's on his shoulders, right? So that would be ma or I kamakahonu or ya kamakahonu, right? Kanaka, iʻoa kuhane, it would take on, like kamehameha at the top, ya kamakahonu. Okay. And then we take the phrase in kona kai o pua. Okay, in kona kai o pua, the song called kona kai o pua, right? Oh, there's this word in the song kona kai o pua. Kona kai o pua is in iʻoa paku, right? And therefore, like the majority of our examples on this page, it takes on ma or I as in ami. Ma kona kai o pua, I kona kai o pua. Okay? So, that's a little ho'oma'a, a little practice at distinguishing between iʻoa kuhane, names of persons, spirits, pets, or iʻoa paku, names of things like places and buildings. What else do we have? Places, buildings, songs, canoes, right? So on and so forth. Okay, so now let's go over our Pepeke Henua. Let's use it. Let's use this in a Pepeke Henua sentence pattern, right? So, what is the Pepeke Henua sentence pattern? What is its function? The Pepeke Henua expresses where or when someone or something is. Okay, where or when someone or something is. A Pepeke Henua is a locational sentence. It tells us where someone or something is located in space and or in time, right? Where or when someone or something is located. So, the marker for our sentence pattern, for the Pepeke Henua sentence pattern, is aya. E ho'opili mai, aya. Aya. Right? This is our sentence marker. Like the Pepeke Aike He was marked by He, like the Pepeke Aike O was marked by O, our Pepeke Henua is marked by aya. Okay? The thing that follows aya, right, this ka'imemea sequence right here, this underlined sequence, ke kumu, is what we're locating, right? This is the someone or the something that's been located in space or time. And its location is malahaina. Okay? So, aya ke kumu malahaina. E ho'opili mai. Aya ke kumu malahaina. Ke kumu is in lahaina, right? The teacher is in lahaina. Aya ke kumu I lahaina. Okay, our next sentence, we want to locate ke la pakau kau. Okay, ke la pakau kau. We want to locate it. And it's located, right, I ko'olauloa. Aya ke la pakau kau I ko'olauloa. E ho'opili mai. Aya ke la pakau kau I ko'olauloa. Right? Ke la pakau kau is in ko'olauloa. That table is in ko'olauloa. Now we're going to locate kapuke, right? Aia ka puke, ia ke aloha lani. Aia ka puke, ia ke aloha lani. Ho'opili mai ʻoukou. Aia ka puke, ia ke aloha lani. Okay, now notice here that our ami is ya. Our first example was ma. Our second is I. Now it's ya. And so if it's ya, then we know that we're working with an iʻoa kuhane. Okay? Ke aloha lani. Aia ka puke, ia ke aloha lani. And for now, we're going to treat this really, really hikey. Yeah, real, keep it narrow in a sense. The book, right, ka puke, is on ke aloha lani. Aia ka puke, ia ke aloha lani. The book is on ke aloha lani. Okay. Now we have ko'u noho. Yeah, ko'u noho is what's being located. Aia ko'u noho ma ke pā kaukau. E ho'opili mai. Aia ko'u noho ma ke pā kaukau. Okay, so where's the noho? Where's the chair? My chair. Yeah, aia ko'u noho ma ke pā kaukau. My chair is at the table. My chair is at the table. Yeah, aia ko'u noho ma ke pā kaukau. Okay, and then our last one over here is kana upa. Right, kana upa. That's what's being located. Right, his or her scissors. Aia kana upa yaya. E ho'opili mai. Aia kana upa yaya. So where are his or her scissors located? Right, her scissors are on him. Right, perhaps they are somehow on top of his head, right? Her scissors are on him. Aia kana upa yaya. Okay, and again, this ia right here, right, is a papani, him or her, and the papani, like the iʻoa kuhane, take on the ami ya, and not the ami ma or I. Okay. Mai kai ho'omau kako. Okay. Now we're gonna locate oya. Okay. And now not yaya, right? Not yaya, because yaya is when someone or something is in, on, at, under, by him or her. But now this is not a him or her. This is a he or she, and he or she is being located, right? Aia oya Maui. Aia oya Maui. So where's the location of ia? Maui. Yeah, he is on Maui, or she is on Maui. Yeah, aia oya Maui. Okay, but o'oi, yeah, aia oi I ko'olauloa. E ho'opili mai. Aia oi I ko'olauloa. Okay, so where is oi located? In ko'olauloa. Yeah, aia oi I ko'olauloa. You are in ko'olauloa. And now I need to locate au. Right, I need to locate myself. Au. Aiau ia ke aloha lani. Yeah, e ho'opili mai. Aiau ia ke aloha lani. Yeah, and let's just say ke aloha lani is my horse. Yeah. Aiau ia ke aloha lani. I'm on ke aloha lani. It's the horseback riding. Yep. In the kuaina. Yeah, aiau ia ke aloha lani. I am on ke aloha lani. And now we're going to locate hiva. Right? And again, now hiva is in iʻoa kuhane, but hiva is not the location of someone or something. Hiva is the thing, the someone that we are locating. Right? So aia o hiva, yaya. Yaya is the location. Right? Aia o hiva, yaya. E ho'opili mai. Aia o hiva, yaya. Okay? And so let's just say again that this yaya is still ke aloha lani, right? And now hiva is on ke aloha lani. Hiva is on the horse named ke aloha lani. Yeah? Hiva is on him. And this him that we're talking about is Ke aloha lani, my horse. And as a pet, right? Perhaps then it takes on, it is a iʻoa kuhane, and its ami is ya. And then aia o hulumanu ya oi. Yeah? Hulumanu is the who or the what that we're locating, and oi is its location, right? E ho'opili mai aia o hulumanu ya oi. Okay, and hulumanu is my parrot. Yeah, and so hulumanu is on your shoulder. Yeah, hulumanu is on you. Yeah, it's right there, right on your left shoulder. Okay. Me ka'i kākou. Okay, e ho'omau. One more set of examples. Aia oia ma ke pā kau. Aia oia ma ke pā kau. So the someone or the something being located is ia, he or she, right? And his or her location is ma ke pā kau. Aia oia ma ke pā kau. E ho'opili mai. Aia oia ma ke pā kau. He is at the table. Yeah, he is at the table. Okay, next one. Aia oi I ka noho. E ho'opili mai. Aia oi I ka noho. Okay, so who or what's being located? Alright, oi, you. And where is oi's location? I ka noho. On the chair. Aia oi I ka noho. You on the chair. Yeah, you are on the chair. Mekai. And now, the next one, who or what is being located? Ke aloha lani. Ai. Who is most likely not a horse anymore. Yeah? Because Ke aloha lani's location is Makatuko. Right? So, just going back up quickly again, Pakaukou, this is a memea. Right? So just like we had in weeks past, it takes on a ma, noho, takes on a I, and now we have katuko, ko'u noho, kau puke. These are all ka'i memea sequences. They're not iʻoa, so there's no worry about a iʻoa paku or a iʻoa kuhane or a iʻoa or a papani. Right? As we can see here, all of these ka'i are not ka'i. All of these ami are ma, I, ma. Right? And up until now, we can switch out a ma with a I as we like. So whether it's aia oia ike pā kau or aia oia ma ke pā kau, mai kaʻina mea elua. Right? Aia oi I ka noho, aia oi ma ka noho, all good. Aia o ke aloha lani ma ka tuko, that would be what? Ke aloha lani is by the glue. Right? I, ma, in, on, at, under, by. Okay. Now we're going to locate Hiva. Yeah. And Hiva's location is ma ko'u noho. Yeah. Aia o Hiva ma ko'u noho. E ho'opini mai. Aia o Hiva ma ko'u noho. And that would be Hiva is on my chair. Yeah? I need Hiva to move because aia o Hiva ma ko'u noho. That's ko'u noho. Right? O ko'u noho ke la. O ko'u noho ke la. But the problem is aia o Hiva ma ko'u noho. She needs to move. Yeah? Okay, alele kia mea hope. Aia ke kala ma kau puke. E ho'opini mai. Aia ke kala ma kau puke. Alright. The crayon is on your book. Right? The crayon is on your book. Kaupuke. Kaupuke. Right? Ko'u noho, kaupuke. Now this is again, this is a kino o, kino a difference, right? And if we need to go ahead and check that, then we can jump a couple of Haʻawina back and kind of reconfirm the breakdown of that kino o, kino a. But here we have an example of noho, kino o, something that we are, right, for the most part, on, right? And then kaupuke doesn't fit in to the criteria that we have for kino o. And so it takes a kino a form, right? The crayon is on your book. Aia ke kala ma kaupuke. Okay? So very simple, this Haʻawina. Just kind of introduce this new sentence pattern. Clarify a little bit more the difference between the iʻoas, the iʻoa paku, and the iʻoa kuhane, right? And how, based on those differences, it takes either the ami ma or I, or ya for the idea of in, on, at, by, under. Okay. Ano leila, oia I hola ka Haʻawina o keia pule, ua ano viki viki. E hui hou kākou I ke kahi wā no ka Haʻawina umi. A leila e hoʻomau aku kākou ma luna o keia Haʻawina o ka Pepeke Henua. Okay. Mahalo everybody. That's all we have for this Haʻawina. Until our next Haʻawina, e hoʻomau o kou, e hoʻomaʻamaʻa o kou, a holomua ea ma kia'o ana I ka ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Continue to practice, continue to use whatever it is that we've learned so far as much as possible, and continue to progress in our journey in learning ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Yeah. A hui hou kākou I ke kai Haʻawina aku. Aloha.